Hi, Johnny here with OWC. We're at the OWC booth for the first day of NAMM 2018. That is booth number 11802. If you're at the show, come and stop by, say hi. We're giving away prizes every day, and on Saturday we'll be having a funk off with Bootsy Collins with the John Lennon bus. Going to be super exciting. So we can't wait to see you here. Come and say hello. In the meantime, let's have a look at some of the cutting-edge products that we've got on display. First up, the most exciting thing I think we've got here at the show is this outrageously fast Thunderblade V4. It's all new from OWC. It is the fastest drive that we've ever made. It is Thunderbolt 3, so it's blazingly quick. It's up to 2,500 megabytes a second, which is amazingly fast. It comes with a Thunderbolt cable. It comes in its own protective case, and up to 8 terabytes in capacity. We're all unbelievably excited about it. And of course, we also want to see its little baby sister, the Envoy Pro EX, also Thunderbolt 3, also amazingly fast, up to 2,600 megabytes a second as well. It's up to 2 terabytes. It's fully portable, fully bus powered. A fantastic product for recording sessions on the go. It's great in the office, but you can take it anywhere you want for maximum performance too. Next up in our line of fantastic all-new Thunderbolt 3 products is the fantastic Thunderbolt 3 dock from OWC. It's got a ton of ports. It's really the connectivity heart of your studio. You've got USB Type A. You've got optical audio, FireWire 800, gigabit wired Ethernet, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and a mini display port, as well as a card reader. Yeah, this guy's fantastic. It basically plugs into everything you need. All right, next up in the lineup of our cutting-edge, fantastic Thunderbolt 3 products, our favourite flagship 4-bay RAID-ready drive, the Thunderbay 4, has been completely redesigned for Thunderbolt 3. And like all of our Thunderbolt 3 products, it is blazingly fast. This guy is up to 40 terabytes, so massive capacity as well. It fits both 3.5 and 2.5 inch drives. It's an absolute workhorse, available in a RAID-ready model and comes with soft RAID as well. It's it's the killer workhorse drive at the foundation of your audio setup. So definitely another one to take a look at. At the heart of OWC is our fantastic range of upgrade options. We have processors, memory, SSDs, hundreds of ways to bring new performance to basically any Mac. So you can spend your money on the things that matter to keep you working instead of having to upgrade to a new machine with OWC. Okay, that's a quick look at OWC's first morning at NAMM 2018. It's going to be a fantastic show. We've got a ton of great stuff, all of those cutting-edge Thunderbolt 3 products. So why don't you come down to booth 11802, say hi to me, come and have a chat. We'd love to see you at NAMM.